Skrinja.
E-mail.
Drevo, staro, da nima več listja pa nič.
Mestni park.
So there is many secrets in Maribor, I think. I'm a drawer, and I just imagine that concept that the people can see me in a small place, in a small room, and give me something secret, and I will do a drawing about it. So that's what happened. Sometimes it seems like it's a small thing, but so important for the guy or the girl in front. There's a lot of things from the childhood also that should be expressed, I think, but I don't think at all when I do that. And I try to find why there is so many creativity here, and I think it's because of the women, because they are super powerful, and it's like I like their energy and the way they face things. And I like the boys also, but they are a little bit more, I don't know, in the shade. Right.
Labirint. Evo, labirint. Tema.
At the beginning it was surprisingly a little bit hard for me. Like I just switch off something in my head, like the psychiatrist or the priest or the surgeon. So now I go and smoke a cigarette and I forget about everything. Never, I won't tell, and it's part of the project. I won't tell. I swear that I won't tell the secret of everyone. I'm nothing more than the one who draws. I'm not gonna say the future.